Good morning, everyone. It's your girl Drea over here at Charlotte's Web with another unboxing video. I signed up for Coffee Beanery a while back. It's like 20 bucks a month and you get a curated box that has whatever theme they are doing that month. So this is our first one, so let's check it out. Let's come around here. I am in my PJs. It's morning and this is coffee and I want to pick a flavor out to have in front of you. I did do makeup there, I ain't gonna lie. Okay. So, take me out to the ball game is the theme. Here's the pods. They just say number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Oh, and then the card says what the flavors are. So we have caramel corn, bubble gum, root beer, and sugar almonds. Oh, everything inside me wants root beer, but you know what? I think we all can agree that bubble gum sounds strange. So that's the one I should probably sample in front of you all, huh? So you can get like, this is face line. Never. Okay. I'll be right back. Let's brew this pod. Let me put you on pause. Okay, we're back. My Pac-Man cut. Isn't that cute? Alright. So, I'm doing like raw dog, like no nothing extra. We're just gonna do this. Oh, it's hot. It does taste kind of like, it has like a bubblegum sweetness factor, but it works. I was really scared to sip that because it looked really hot. And you can see I'm drinking it black like a bitter old man. Just kidding. Sort of. This is really good. This is really good. Alright, Coffee Beanery. You got another month in you. This doesn't suck. That's a good thing. This doesn't suck. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Cheers to Coffee Beanery. Have a great day. You guys stay safe out there and have tons of fun. You know how I feel about fun? The more fun, the better. See you later. Bye. Oops. Bye.